Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have the screenshot ready. Open Photos and tap the image to begin. Once done, press Edit in the top right to access markup and tools. Make quick adjustments, crop or rotate, so the area you want magnified is framed. This keeps the magnifier focused on the right detail. Make sure to avoid heavy edits that change resolution before magnifying. Next, tap the three-dot More menu to reveal the magnifier tool so you can place and tune the lens precisely. Now choose Magnifier from the More menu. This adds a movable lens on your screenshot. Drag the circular magnifier to the exact spot you want enlarged and pinch with 2 fingers on the lens to resize it for context versus detail. Adjust the zoom slider to increase or decrease magnification until text or features are readable. Keep an eye on edges. Moving slowly prevents accidental repositioning. Once satisfied, you can tap Done to save changes as a new image or continue annotating with markup. Finish by tapping Done to save the magnified version. Photos preserves your original so you can revert later. If you want to emphasize the enlarged detail, add arrows or highlights using markup before saving. Make sure to export or share the saved image if you need it elsewhere. If the magnified area looks blurry, undo the magnifier, revert to the original, and crop closer before reapplying. Low-resolution crops cause blur. If problems persist, reopen the original screenshot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.